Welcome to Solve for Why, where we're unlocking curiosity and creating leaders. This is episode 3 in our series on artificial intelligence in education. Let's talk about bias and hallucinations. Did you know that AI can unintentionally reinforce stereotypes in education? AI models learn from data, and if that data is biased, AI outputs can be biased too, impacting things like grading or recommendations. As educators, it's essential to understand how bias works and to critically evaluate the tools that we use. By staying informed and vigilant, we can help ensure technology in classrooms is fair and equitable for every student. Let's look at some real examples. Some AI tools have graded essays lower for Black students or offered harsher discipline actions based on names without educators realizing it. Even image generators can misrepresent entire cultures by producing one-sided visuals. These small and large biases impact student outcomes and belonging. The takeaway? Always check AI-generated content for stereotypes and disparities. Have you seen AI make up facts, sources, or wild claims? That's called an AI hallucination. It happens when a chatbot generates information that sounds real but isn't. This matters in research, assignments, and lesson planning. Students and teachers might believe invented facts. The solution? Verify everything AI provides before using it in the classroom. You can have students practice spotting hallucinations. Try this hands-on classroom activity. Ask students to research a topic using an AI chatbot. Then fact-check that bot's answers against reliable sources. Highlight any invented data or information. This not only builds their research skills, but teaches everyone to be skeptical and thorough when working with AI tools. You can find some other activities at the link below. Let's get our students talking about ethics. Bring examples of bias and hallucination to a classroom discussion. Ask, why do you think AI made this mistake? And who is affected by it? Use ethical frameworks to debate fairness and responsibility. This prepares students to make thoughtful technology choices in their own lives. Try a hands-on project. Have students ask chatbots to provide advice or feedback for students from different backgrounds or on various topics. Then compare the responses. Are some groups treated differently? Discuss what you find and encourage students to propose new ways to make AI more equitable. What can we do as educators to help mitigate bias in classroom AI use? First, use diverse data sets when creating or choosing AI tools. Second, keep a human in the loop. Always review AI-generated outputs yourself. Third, collaborate with other educators and developers to spot and address bias early. Responsible use creates safer, smarter learning spaces. Educators, remind your students. AI can invent sources and statistics during research. Teach your students to double-check every claim and cite only verified information. This caution protects student work from factual errors and helps them to build critical research habits for the future. So when has AI gone wrong for you? Think about a time when AI provided biased feedback or invented a fact. How did you notice? How did it affect your lesson or your students or you? Share your story in the comments below. Reflection helps everyone learn to recognize and overcome AI's limitations. Here's your opportunity to build student media literacy. AI is everywhere and it's not going away. So media literacy matters more than ever. Teach your students to analyze AI-generated content for bias, unsupported claims, and missing perspectives. Practice evaluating sources, asking good questions, and challenging the technology. With these skills, learners will become informed, responsible digital citizens. Here is an opportunity to teach your students critical thinking and research skills. Go forth and make it happen. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you as always. See you next time. Be good.